there, moneymakers! Welcome to the ultimate guide to raking in free gift cards and cash with paid surveys and user interviews in 2025. If you've ever dreamed of earning extra income from your couch, this is your golden ticket. Stick with me because I'm spilling the secrets to turning your spare time into serious rewards. Let's dive in. First off, why are paid surveys and user interviews blowing up right now? Simple. Companies are desperate for your opinions. They're willing to pay big for insights that shape their products, and that's where you come in. Whether it's testing a new app or sharing your thoughts on snacks, your voice can earn you free gift cards to Amazon, Walmart, or even cold, hard cash via PayPal. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the kicker. Not all survey sites are created equal. I've done the legwork to bring you the absolute best platforms that pay fast and don't waste your time. Let's start with paid surveys. These are super easy. You sign up, answer questions about your habits or preferences, and boom, rewards roll in. The top dogs in 2025 are sites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars. Swagbucks alone has paid out millions in gift cards and cash. You can earn points for surveys, watching videos, or even shopping online. Redeem those points for a $10 Amazon gift card or cash out to PayPal. Survey Junkie keeps it simple with quick surveys that pay anywhere from $1 to $50, depending on length. And Inbox Dollars? They've got a $5 sign-up bonus just for joining. Pro tip, sign up for all three to maximize your earnings. The more platforms you're on, the more surveys you'll qualify for. Now, let's talk user interviews. These are the hidden gems of online income. Companies like User Testing and Respondent pay you to test websites, apps, or products. You might spend 20 minutes giving feedback on a new game and walk away with $10 to $100. Respondent is a fan favorite because they offer high-paying studies, sometimes up to $200 for an hour of your time. All you need is a decent internet connection and a willingness to share your thoughts. I'll drop links to these sites in the description so you can jump in right after this video. Here's a quick hack to boost your success. Be honest and detailed in your profile. When you sign up, fill out every section: your age, hobbies, job, everything. This helps platforms match you with surveys and interviews you're perfect for. The more specific you are, the more invites you'll get. And don't skip the screener questions. They might seem annoying, but answering thoughtfully increases your chances of qualifying for high-paying gigs. Let's address the elephant in the room. Are these sites legit? Absolutely. But you've got to stick with trusted platforms. The ones I'm sharing have millions of users and years of payouts to back them up. Steamy and Mo. Avoid shady sites that promise thousands for doing nothing. That's a red flag. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stick to reputable sites and you'll be cashing in safely. Now, how much can you actually earn? It depends on your time commitment. Spend an hour a day, and you could make $50 to $100 a week, easily enough for gift cards or extra spending money. Dedicate more time, and some hustlers pull in $500 a month or more, especially with user interviews. Imagine paying for groceries or holiday gifts without touching your paycheck. That's the power of this side hustle. Here's another trick. Set up a dedicated email for surveys. This keeps your personal inbox clean and makes it easy to spot new opportunities. Also, try to complete surveys as soon as they arrive. Popular ones fill up fast, and you don't want to miss out on a $20 payout because you waited too long. Consistency is key. Treat this like a part-time job, and the rewards will stack up. Let's talk about maximizing your earnings. Some surveys pay better than others, so prioritize longer ones with higher payouts. A 30-minute survey for $10 is way better than a 5-minute one for 50 cents. Also, look for referral programs. Sites like Swagbucks give you bonuses for inviting friends. Share your link on social media, and you could earn extra without lifting a finger. And don't sleep on mobile apps. Most of these platforms have apps, so you can take surveys on your phone while waiting in line or watching TV. One thing to watch out for: survey fatigue. It's easy to burn out if you're grinding non-stop. Pace yourself. Maybe do a few surveys in the morning and a user interview at night. Keep it fun, and you'll stick with it longer. Plus, mix it up. Some platforms, like Pinecone Research, offer product testing. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. You won't be buying a yacht with survey money, but it's a legit way to earn extra cash without a degree or fancy skills. Anyone with a smartphone and some spare time can do this. Students, stay-at-home parents, even full-time workers, there's no gatekeeping here. Before we wrap up, here's a bonus hack: cash out strategically. Some sites let you redeem points for gift cards at a discount. For example, Swagbucks might offer a $25 Amazon card for fewer points than its cash value. Always check for deals to stretch your earnings further. And if you're eyeing cash, PayPal is usually the fastest way to get paid. So, what's next? Hit the links in the description and sign up for at least 2 platforms today. Swagbucks and Respondent are great places to start. Spend 10 minutes setting up your profiles and you could be earning by tonight. The sooner you begin, the sooner those gift cards and cash hit your wallet. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more money-making tips. Drop a comment below. Tell me which survey site you're trying first, or share your best earning hack. Let's build this community of hustlers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Freelance career?
Keep stacking that
Have you been
cash.
wondering where to begin? Freelance Hub offers a comprehensive online video course for freelancers. Jumpstart and develop your freelance career. Let me introduce myself. I am a freelance video producer based in London. I've worked with clients like Google, Sony Music, HSBC, Vodafone, and Cisco, to name a few. I've been a freelancer for about 10 years now, and during those years, I've learned a lot about how to build and run my one-man freelance business. That's why now, after years of accumulating a fair amount of insight and experience, I want to share this knowledge with people that are developing their own freelance careers today, to help them make a fast and easy start. I will cover everything I personally wish I knew years ago when I started: where to begin, how to put together a portfolio, how to find clients, how to negotiate budgets, how to manage difficult clients, how to organize and run multiple projects simultaneously, how to manage the legal aspects of your work, how to better organize your time with your day-to-day work and your personal life around it. I've been working on this course for over a year, and I'm delighted to share it with you now.
We're going to be diving into both, actually trying to find out which one brings in more money. So if you're interested in all of that, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn your post notifications so you can be notified whenever I upload videos on how to make money or how to score brand deals. Make sure you comment down below, and if you are a returning subscriber, please do comment down below and give this video a huge thumbs up. I would really appreciate it.